In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get paid using Shopify payments, a crucial feature if you're running an online business and want a seamless transaction process for your customers. Let's dive into the steps, starting with accessing your Shopify store dashboard. First, head over to your Shopify store. You can do this by logging into your Shopify account and landing on the home screen of your store. Once there, you're going to need to find your way to the settings. Think of this as the command center for all your store's back-end configurations. Look for the Settings tab, typically located at the bottom of the left sidebar. Clicking on this will take you to a new screen where you can control various aspects of your store, so it's an important area to become familiar with. After you've clicked on Settings, you're going to see a list of options related to different functionalities of your store. The next move is to click on Payments. This link is what connects you to all the payment options available for your store, including Shopify payments. Selecting this takes you to the Payment Setup page, where you can manage all things payment-related. Inside the Payments section, you'll notice several options to configure. What you need to do now is find the highlighted area that guides you through setting up Shopify payments. It's a straightforward step, though sometimes this section may expand a bit, depending on your previous setup. Clicking here will guide you through any prompts and steps specific to your account, such as agreement to terms and adding relevant financial information. This is crucial for ensuring that the transactions on your store can be processed smoothly. On the same page, you'll see an option for Additional Payment Methods. Click on this to explore or add any other payment methods you might want to offer to your customers. This could include options like PayPal, manual payments, or even integrating third-party options. This flexibility is an added benefit for you and your customers, allowing more ways to shop securely and comfortably. And there you have it, your very own Shopify payments setup in just a few steps. By following these instructions, you're well on your way to offering a smooth and efficient checkout experience for your customers, ensuring they have trust and confidence when shopping at your store. Remember, being able to offer multiple payment options often translates into a better customer experience and can potentially increase sales. Thanks for tuning into today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, be sure to explore Shopify's Help Center or drop a comment below. Happy selling!